At 3:46 in the morning, your paycheck still means something. Your rent still exists, your card still clears, your $5 coffee still has a number on it. That is what makes money feel solid, the fact that everyone agrees on the number. Now imagine that at 3:47, every balance goes to zero. Every price tag goes blank, every debt evaporates, and humanity forgets the concept of currency. What breaks first? The first thing to break is the tiny choreography of ordinary life. The register cannot ask what a coffee costs. The pharmacy cannot price an insulin refill. The gas station cannot decide what 40 litres are worth. Suddenly, millions of simple exchanges become unsolved math problems. A supermarket is not a pile of food, it is a timing system. Fuel deliveries depend on drivers. Drivers depend on payroll. Payroll depends on accounting. Accounting depends on prices. And prices are gone. So gas runs out first. Shelves clear. Freight slows. Hospitals begin rationing by hand. Money looked like a number. In practice, it was the operating system for coordination. By day 2, the story becomes human. One person boards the windows and counts every can twice. Another starts a soup line. One family trades only with blood relatives. Another writes down who can fix pipes, who can carry water, who can dress wounds, who owes eggs, who owes time. Collapse does not make everyone the same. It splits people fast. And yes, barter returns, but never cleanly. History is full of societies improvising strange substitute money. Cigarettes, diesel, neighborhood credit books, gold flakes, ration goods. People do not rewind history back to barter, they grab whatever is available. By week 2, status flips. The person who can repair a generator, wire a building, grow food, or keep a clinic running becomes more valuable than the person who once moved symbols on a spreadsheet. That does not mean finance was fake, it means scarcity changed. And the skills closest to survival rise first. An electrician now outranks a banker because power matters more than leverage. Then something surprising happens. Trust comes back before money does. First at the level of the block, then the street, then a neighborhood. Money is gone. But accounting is already trying to grow back. By month 1, every substitute starts getting tested against the same 6 questions. Can it survive time? Can it be divided? Can it move easily? Is it scarce? Can people recognize it instantly? And is one unit basically the same as another? Money has always been whatever passes those tests in a given place at a given moment. Even useful things fail if they are hard to compare or verify. A few candidates survive longer. Gold, fuel coupons, cigarettes, labor hours. Signed IOUs inside trusted circles. Most of them still die by month 3. What is left is small, a handful of objects in a handful of regions that people start treating less like goods and more like prices. That is the moment money begins again. By month 6, every region trusts something different. One city uses work hours, another runs on silver, another on battery scrip, another on carton credit, another on grain weights. It sounds chaotic. It is also exactly how order returns. Locally first, then regionally, then at larger scales. By year one, the fragmented systems start standardizing. Traders move between cities and need to compare. Slowly, a shared protocol returns. Money comes back. Just not the same money. That is the real lesson. Money was never the paper, never the metal, never the app on the screen. It was trust, scaled by a shared ledger. So if money disappeared overnight, value would not disappear. Money is not what is in your wallet. It is the agreement underneath it. And that agreement is older and more fragile than almost anyone notices.